Welcome to Unleashing Online Prosperity, a guide to make money from the comfort of your home. In this video, we will explore various ways you can start making money online. So, let's dive in. First up, affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a win-win situation. Next, we have online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay you for your opinions. Simply sign up, participate in surveys, and earn some extra cash. If you have a skill or a talent, consider freelancing. You can offer your services to clients worldwide and work on your own terms. Another option is dropshipping. Set up an online store, but you don't need to hold any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Have you ever considered becoming a virtual assistant? Many businesses and individuals need administrative help. You can handle tasks such as scheduling, social media management, and customer support remotely. Want a more creative approach? Start a YouTube channel or a blog. Share your passion with the world, and with time and effort, you can monetize your content through advertising and sponsorships. Investing in online real estate is another great option. Buy domains, develop websites, and sell them for a profit. It's like flipping houses, but in the digital world. Finally, e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, you can build an online store and sell your own products. It's an excellent opportunity for those with an entrepreneurial spirit. Remember, success won't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and persistence. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can unleash your online prosperity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom.